Drop your lighter when getting gas. Forget your airplane pass. Eat medicine as a snack. Lean way, way too far back. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Throw a stone at a dinosaur. Lead a criminal to your door. Play with your iPhone in the tab. Give a porcupine a belly rub. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Fight ninja with your brain. Put yourself in incredible pain. Give a crook a gun, then turn your back. Drop your wallet on the subway track. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Use a sword to itch your back. Ride a roller coaster that's way out of whack. Stuck in an airplane door. I wonder why this is out of bounds. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Throw a bomb right at some gasoline. An ordered tiger that is really mean. Keep your religion as a strict atheist. Doubt the existence of a higher being. Live your life without God. It may not rhyme, but it's quite possibly the dumbest way to die. The dumbest way to die. The dumbest ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Don't die an eternal death. Contact your local church about becoming a Christian.